Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Lisbon, Portugal, a city often called the City of Seven Hills. Lisbon is a place where old-world charm meets modern vibrance, with pastel-colored buildings, cobblestone streets, historic trams, and stunning viewpoints. From soulful fado music to sweet pastéis de nata, this city offers both sights and experiences that leave a lasting impression. The first thing you notice in Lisbon is the light. The city glows with a golden hue reflected from the Tagus River, making the red rooftops and tiled facades look like a postcard. The sound of the yellow trams is everywhere, especially Tram 28, which winds through many of Lisbon's historic districts. Riding it feels like a rolling tour of the city's soul. Our first stop is Alfama, Lisbon's most historic neighborhood. Unlike much of the city, Alfama survived the devastating 1755 earthquake. Its narrow alleys, colorful doors, and laundry-draped balconies feel like stepping into the past. This district is also the birthplace of fado, Portugal's soulful music that echoes through taverns at night. Experiencing a live fado performance here is both emotional and unforgettable. Because Lisbon is built on hills, you'll constantly find yourself climbing, but every climb rewards you with breathtaking miradoros, viewpoints. One of the best is the Miradoro de Senhora do Monte, offering panoramic views of rooftops, the São Jorge Castle, and the Tagus River. Another favorite, Miradoro de Santa Catarina, is a lively sunset spot where locals and visitors gather to watch the sky turn golden. No Lisbon trip is complete without visiting Belém. This district is steeped in history, home to landmarks like the Belém Tower and the Jerónimos Monastery, both symbols of Portugal's Age of Discovery. But Belém is also where you'll find the world-famous pastéis de Belém, the original custard tarts. Served warm with cinnamon and sugar, these pastries are legendary and absolutely unmissable. Lisbon's neighborhoods, each part of Lisbon, has its own personality. Baixa is the elegant downtown, with wide squares like Praça do Comércio and the Arco de Rua Augusta, framing river views. Barro Alto is quiet by day, but transforms into the city's nightlife hub, with buzzing bars and music-filled streets after dark. Chiado blends shopping and culture, with theaters, bookstores, and classic cafes like a Brasileira, a favorite for coffee lovers. Together, these neighborhoods form the colorful puzzle that makes Lisbon so unique. Lisbon's cuisine is simple yet full of flavor. A star ingredient is bacalhau, salted cod. Prepared in countless ways, locals say there's a recipe for every day of the year. Grilled sardines are another must-try, especially during summer festivals. For drinks, don't miss ginginha, a sweet cherry liqueur often served in tiny chocolate cups. Pair it with a bifana sandwich or fresh seafood, and you're dining like a true Lisboeta. At night, Lisbon transforms into a romantic, glowing city. Strolling along the Tagus, sipping wine at a praça, or listening to live music in a cozy bar captures its warm atmosphere. A highlight is experiencing fado performed live. Even if you don't understand Portuguese, the emotion in the voices and guitars will move you deeply. Lisbon is more than a destination, it's a feeling. It blends history, culture, and modern energy while remaining relaxed and welcoming. From Alfama's winding alleys to the views at Miradoros, from Belém's pastries to Sintra's palaces, Lisbon captures your heart the moment you arrive. If you're planning a European trip, put Lisbon at the top of your list. This is a city of sights, flavors, music, and magic that lingers long after you've left. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if Lisbon is already on your bucket list. Até logo, and see you in the next adventure.